We live in a world where artificial intelligence is everywhere. On our smartphones, in our homes, even in our cars. From personalized recommendations to voice assistants and even smart home devices, AI is constantly learning from us. But with this ever-growing presence of AI, there's one big question that many of us are starting to ask. How safe is our data? Every time we interact with AI, we're sharing data. From what we search online to where we go and even how we talk to our voice assistants. Every click, every conversation is a piece of information being collected. But where does that data go? Who's using it? And most importantly, how secure is it? Let's take a step back and think about it. Data breaches are becoming more common, with companies around the world facing the fallout of hacked personal information. In fact, some of the world's biggest corporations have fallen victim to these attacks. And with AI systems processing vast amounts of personal data, it's only natural to wonder what happens if your data falls into the wrong hands. AI systems thrive on data. In order to make accurate predictions, personalize services, or offer us recommendations, these systems need a constant flow of information. That means AI models are collecting everything from your preferences and habits to more sensitive data like health records, financial transactions, and even biometric data. But while AI can be incredibly useful, making our lives easier and more efficient, it also brings a serious risk. With increasing volume of personal data AI processes, there's more opportunity for misuse or exploitation. Consider this. Many of us rely on devices like smart speakers, wearables, and even home security cameras. These AI-powered gadgets are designed to make our lives more convenient, but they're also constantly listening, tracking, and analyzing our behavior. Every command we give, every step we take, and even our health metrics could be recorded. And that data, it's not always as private as we think. And it's not just about hackers. Big tech companies have been involved in controversies surrounding how they collect and use our data. Some companies have been accused of selling user data or sharing it without proper consent, putting our privacy at risk. Even AI systems that claim to be secure can fall prey to algorithmic bias, leading to unintended consequences for users' personal data. So, what can we do to protect ourselves in this AI-driven world? The answer isn't simple. The first step is understanding what data we're sharing. Many of us blindly click Accept on privacy policies without reading the fine print. But if we want to protect our privacy, we need to be more vigilant about the data we share and how it's being used. Fortunately, there are solutions. Many companies are now implementing stronger encryption methods, giving users more control over their data. For example, some AI platforms now offer transparency about how your data is being used and allow you to delete your data when you choose. In fact, recent privacy laws like the GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, in Europe have placed strict regulations on how companies collect, store, and share personal data, pushing for more accountability. And there's more good news. Innovations in privacy-preserving AI are emerging. Techniques like differential privacy, where data is anonymized while still allowing AI to learn from it, are helping to protect sensitive information. In the future, we may see AI systems that are both powerful and respect our privacy. At the end of the day, AI's potential to change the world is limitless, but so is its impact on our privacy. As consumers, we need to stay informed and take control of the data we share. And as AI continues to evolve, it's up to both companies and governments to ensure that the technology is used responsibly with our security in mind. What do you think? Are you worried about AI and privacy? Let us know in the comments below. How safe is your data? Well, that's a question only time will answer. But by staying informed and protecting our digital footprint, we can make sure that AI works for us, not against us.